Officially say goodbye. Nobody's here. Bye bye. And it's done. I just left for the last time. I feel good. I mean, I'm gonna miss my colleagues, like especially the ones from sports. They were so sweet, so cute. I really had a good time with them. But other than that, I feel good. I feel ready. I'm returning the last batch of books I got. And I also have to return my card and kind of like close down my account, I guess. Hello, I need to return the card. Ah, okay, it's fine. Ah, okay, achoo. What? They told me that I keep the card, like forever, I guess. Just kind of strange. I mean, I don't need it, so they could have just like closed the account and give the card to someone else, you know, reuse it. But the library I am gonna miss because I really loved borrowing books. They honestly had really like a great selection of books in English. Like every time I came here, I wanted to borrow like 20 books. But I mean, I have a lot of books waiting for me at home, so it's not like I don't have anything to read. Actually, I just bought like 10 books secondhand the other day, and I'm so excited. My sister's picking them up today.
Should've known. Be with anime till we hit a red light. Then I see the side. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. God, your love was real, but it's not for us. Now you can't decide. Oh.
This weather is making me so lazy. And I'm like tired. I don't know why. I need more vitamin D. But I'm working. Then tonight I have an online course, and then after that I think I will watch some movie because I'm in the mood. And I discovered some like 80s, 90s rom-coms that I haven't seen and look really good. And I think I'm also gonna leave packing for tomorrow because I'm lazy.
Oh, come on. Oh, come on, Hong.
Brain isn't affected. Your thoughts won't change.
It is the next morning. It's Friday. I was working a little bit and now I'm gonna go for my last run here. The weather is finally a little bit nicer, so I'm excited about that. Also, I kind of want to tire myself out so then, you know, when I take the 18-hour bus ride home, it will be chill and hopefully I will be sleeping a lot, or at least like during the night, you know? Let's run. Damn, today was so hard. So hard. I had to push myself so bad. I had a goal of 10K, which I reached. I reached 11 in the end. I don't know if it's because it's before my period or something, but I was like so tired. I wanted to like give up. Well, not give up. It's not giving up, but like finish at like, I don't know, 40 minutes. But I kept repeating in my head, like, you can do it, you can do it, I can do it. And I did it. I hope I'll be extra tired for the bus ride then. No. This dog is so freaking sweet. Like, I've been seeing him or her in that backyard like often. And he wants to play so bad. But I mean, obviously I can't. He's not my dog. I wish he was. Nothing tastes better than fresh cold water when you're so freaking thirsty. And I should probably figure out like how to drink water during runs, especially since I do the long ones. I get really thirsty, and also because I do them in the morning before breakfast, before everything. And maybe it's not good for me, you know? Also, I have to buy a new bra because this one, but oh my god, no. It hurts me. Like, this is from Tuesday and it was so bad. I don't know, it bothers my skin here, and I even put a little band-aid on it so it doesn't get worse, but I guess it didn't hold. But it's fine. I mean, today we survived, I think. But I do have to buy a new running bra. I'm gonna have a pre-breakfast, let's say. I think I rediscovered my love for pears, but like these big juicy ones. And then I need to shower like first before I make actual breakfast, because I need to wash my clothes and I need time for them to dry. I can pack them up. I'm gonna do that first, and then I'm gonna make my banana pancakes. I should stretch. Oh my god, what the hell? I'm actually sweating. It's not warm, it's hot. Like, I didn't expect that. By the way, I'm going to the city, to the center, for one last time. I don't have a concrete plan. I think I'm just gonna walk around a little bit, maybe. I'm not gonna be there for too long because I have to still finish packing and everything, but I have time. Oh my god, what is happening? There's so many people. I'm stressed.
She says, hey man, there were just too many days. When our good intentions only got in the way. And I almost never know what I should say. Maybe nothing nowhere ever was that okay.
Look at the amount of tulips this house has. And there will be another one I will show you in a second, but it's so pretty. The woman is working in the backyard, so I don't want to film too close. I mean, I already talked to her once before because I was taking a picture, and she was like, ah, yeah, look, nobody else has these. My backyard is the best. And the house is also really cute. So take a look from here. Oh my gosh, that is incredible.
Reap what you never did sow. You cannot learn what you never won't know. In this house of cards, with only hearts.
And that's a wrap.
This house of cards.
Stephanie, it's finished.
And these
It's so empty.
lonely hearts.
Let's go home. Bye.